We're all about giving you that shortcut to feeling at home faster with new interfaces. We've all been there, right? That moment of maybe dread when a tool you use every day gets a total makeover. It's kind of like your favorite coffee shop suddenly moved all the furniture around.
Yeah.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into adapting to the new Outlook, our mission. Well, it's to pull out the really important nuggets from the official guides, help you master this new interface. We won't just tell you what changed, but kind of why it matters for how you work day to day. Because the new Outlook, it really promises a more streamlined and integrated experience.
Yeah, that's right. And what's interesting is that the core promise, it really is about a cleaner, faster experience. It's designed to help you find, the essential tools you've always used, sure, but also to discover new ones pretty seamlessly, ones that actually boost your productivity.
Yeah.
If you think about the bigger picture, understanding the why behind these changes and knowing where your go-to features are now, well, that makes the transition much smoother than just clicking around hoping for the best.
Absolutely. So how do we make these changes feel less, well, daunting, beyond just saying go explore? We've picked out some key features that really define this new Outlook experience. And maybe the biggest one for just streamlining your daily workflow is My Day.
Oh yeah, My Day is fantastic. It gives you that quick glance view of your calendar, your tasks, all without leaving your inbox. You'll see the icon, it's like a little calendar with a check mark up in the top right. But what really makes it great isn't just that it's convenient, it's how it cuts down on the cognitive load, switching between apps all the time.
That's a really good point. Think about it. You're not breaking your focus constantly, jumping to a separate calendar app anymore. You can actually drag emails right from your inbox over to your calendar to make an event, or drag them to your to-do list to create a task right there. It seems small, but it's a really powerful shift. Saves minutes, saves mental energy during the day.
Exactly. And once you've used My Day to kind of get your schedule sorted, the next big thing is usually finding what you need, right? In that flood of emails, that's where the much improved search comes in. It's really prominent now, right at the top. And it's not just email search anymore. It searches across mail, calendar, and contacts all at once.
Okay, that sounds like a huge leap for productivity.
Yeah.
Are there any trade-offs, anything people might miss from the old search, or is it pretty much all upside? I did notice you can use advanced filters now, like narrowing by sender or date, and finding messages where you were at mentioned seems easier too.
Yeah, it's largely a net gain. The whole idea was making search more intuitive, more comprehensive. And speaking of tools, a lot of us rely on integrations, right? Your favorite apps, Grammarly, maybe Zoom, Trello, stuff like that. They're now grouped under apps in the ribbon. Makes sense. And if you want to install new add-ins, you just start a new email, click apps, then get add-ins. It keeps everything kind of close at hand.
Right, keeping things accessible. Now, for anyone fighting inbox overload and who isn't, automation is key.
Yeah.
That powerful rules feature, the one that sorts your emails automatically, has a new home, more streamlined. You find it by going to settings, that gear icon, top right again, then mail, and then rules.
Oh, okay.
Yep, it's all there. Manage old rules, create new ones, help you really tame the email chaos proactively.
And what about reusable text, for people who send similar replies often? The old quick parts feature, it's still there, just rebranded. It's called My Templates now. You get to it the same way you get to add-ins, actually. Start a new email, click apps in the ribbon, and choose My Templates.
Oh.
Yes. You can use your saved ones or make new ones right there. Honestly, if you send similar emails a lot, this is a lifesaver. I used to keep a text file open all the time before this.
Yeah, I know that feeling. So, yeah, panic averted for the super organized inbox, folks. And don't worry, your folders are still there on the left side. They might look a bit different, but they're there. What's neat is you can use that little pin icon next to a folder to pin to favorites. Puts it right at the top for easy access. Or just right-click a folder. You see the option there, too, in the context menu.
Good tip. And finally, let's touch on the ribbon. That bar across the top with all the buttons, it's had a pretty big makeover. It's simpler now, and it's context-aware, which means it tries to show you just the commands that are relevant to what you're doing right then. This isn't just about less clutter, It's a modern design idea trying to reduce that decision fatigue. Let you focus on your work, not hunting for buttons.
I was curious about that ribbon. It definitely feels less cluttered. But does that simplicity cause any issues? Like for commands you don't use often? Are they harder to find now? Oh, and I saw you can switch back, right? Between the classic ribbon and the new simplified ribbon, there's a little toggle in the top right.
Yeah, exactly. There might be a slight learning curve finding those less used commands initially. But the context-aware design usually makes the common stuff more accessible. It's kind of a trade-off, aiming for efficiency in most daily tasks.
Right. So bringing it all together,
Yeah.
what does this mean for you, the listener? Look, adapting to new software is always a process. It takes a little time. But hopefully, by understanding these specific changes where things moved, why they changed, you're feeling better equipped now, more confident in navigating the new outlook.
Exactly. And knowledge like this is most valuable when you actually use it. So we encourage you, really explore these features. Try dragging an email to your calendar. Set up a rule. Find my templates. Make these features your own. Integrate them into how you work. It's all part of staying adaptable in our, digital lives.
Well said. So here's a final thought to chew on as you continue that journey. What's the biggest change you've had to adapt to in New Outlook so far? Something to reflect on.